I'm going to go over this DJI Neo 2 combo set that I have here. So I just recently picked up this carrying bag, and I just want to show y'all real quick how nice this thing is. So the set I have is the Fly More package that comes with this, but I went ahead and got the DJI RC2 remote. Now you need a bag for it. Well, I found out there wasn't many bag options out there. This is the one I went with. Look how solid this thing is. So it's a soft shell case, has a nice kind of strong handle right there, has a shoulder sling on it. It is adjustable shoulder sling that has removable like clips right there, and then the zipper. Open it up, show you guys what it is right here. So here's the kits right here. So I have the regular remote in here, but this remote right here, highly recommend getting a DJI RC2. Number one, because you can go and not use your phone anymore. The fact that I don't have to use my phone anymore makes me a happy camper. Look at how nice and compact it holds it all down in here. So up here, I ran pretty much my charge cable, some random stuff like a strap and things like that. And the strap that I have goes into this thing right here. You want to have this neck strap. It goes right along here like this. You can see how the RC2 controller looks right here. Such a better controller. And you just fire this thing up, and then once it pops up, you don't even have to hook your phone up. The little sticks go right here, they go up top. I'm not really going to talk much about that. And here's the neck strap that goes along with it. I recommend picking up one of these neck straps too. Screws in the bottom right there. Look at how it holds the battery compartment. Is all held nicely right there. I don't leave the batteries in there. And then I even have a gimbal guard on here. You see that? How that gimbal guard goes around the little antenna receiver in the back. Here's both batteries. So two batteries there, one battery on it, and it just locks in here like this. And I just push it down on there and then close these up. It is set, everybody. Very nicely contained. Highly recommend getting one of these cases. This is something that can definitely protect your drone, whether you're traveling or just pretty much just storing in general. My drone stays in here all the time. So when I'm ready to film, take my drone somewhere, I just grab this and I'm gone. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the DJI Neo, carrying case with RC2 remote. See you on the next video.